A warm welcome to all participants attending the 8th Advanced Good Manufacturing Practice workshop hosted by the Indian Pharmaceutical Alliance. Secretary Sudarshan Jainji, our S. Aparna Madam, and the respected all the delegates who are attending this seminar. The memorandum of the MOU signed by the IPA and the PCI during the Pharma Innovation Program event on 6 March. The outline and the objective of the collaboration, specially focusing on the teacher training program and the course curriculum upgradation. So I would like to emphasize the importance of the experimental immersion for teacher in pharmaceutical manufacturing facility and how the program aims to enhance the understanding of current technology and the manufacturing practice in the field. The collaborative efforts between the PCI and the IPA, particularly to leading the CBIT program, like focusing on the empowering the teachers and the bridging the gap between academia and the industry. The scheme involves the nominating the teachers from the approved pharmacy institution for the 1 month training in the pharmaceutical industry within India, with the opportunity for hand-on experience that teachers gain by working with the professional of various verticals of the industry. Long-term impact of such initiative would result empower the quality culture and the adherence to the good manufacturing practice in the with the teachers, also the same like to be in the teaching profession. I think almost 25 teachers have successfully completed the CBIT phase 1 conducted in the 2022, and going forward PCI has already initiated this program move forward within a 100 teacher training program CBIT phase 2. So we are also working towards course curriculum upgradation, aiming to the reinforce to good manufacturing practice and to promote the excellence in the quality within the pharmaceutical industry. So hope all you have all the great learning experience over the course of next 2 days in the workshop. And Pharmacy Council of India is always ready to collaboration with the Indian pharmaceutical industry for the teachers and the student training program. And we are definitely working and actively with the Sudarshan Jainji and team. So very thankful to give me opportunity today's function for online GMP program. Thank you.